Good evening. Good night, Kirei.
Yeah, good night. Good evening.
So, so actually, Kirei is my friend from high school, guys.
Yeah,
Okay.
hello everybody.
Question number one. What's your name and what do you do for a living?
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Kirei Bella Villa. You can also call me Kirei. Personally, I work as a cashier ambassador at a retail company.
Okay. That's it. So,
That's it.
question number
Is
two.
it okay? Should
Is it-
we
okay,
start over?
totally fine. Okay, question number two. When did you start working?
I start work right after high school. So a few
Right.
months after I graduated from high school, I started working.
Okay. That's it, the answer?
Yeah.
Next question number three. So, why did you choose to work instead of going to university?
Because I am the breadwinner of my family. I help my parents paying tuition for my little brothers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Totally great. So, okay, next question. Question number four. So, what was it hard decision to make?
Of course it is. Not because I doubt myself, because I knew that what I have to give up
Hmm.
for if I have to work. That's it. That's why it's hard. I cannot go to college. That's a little hard for me.
So, actually, this is your first time living, right? So it's
Yeah,
totally
but yeah, it's okay.
totally fine.
At first it's hard, but then I'm fine.
Yeah, you
Anyway,
enjoy it, right?
right. I got
Okay.
money.
So next question number five. How did your family react to your decision?
They accepted. They support me, of course. Yeah. I think maybe they also hope things would be easy for me. But
Hmm.
turns out life's not always giving you what you want.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right,
it's
right.
okay.
Okay. Question number six. What kind of job are you doing now? Like the answer number one.
So as a cashier ambassador, my main job is to be the role model, of course, for the cashier in my company. Every day I visit different store to check on the cashier, to see how things are running. Like I also help them solving their problems at work, give them support. Yeah, I think that's it.
I think it's not easy, right?
No, it's a little bit hard, but it's not that hard actually.
Okay.
I
Um,
can, I still can keep up.
okay. So next question, number seven. What's your daily routine like at work?
Yeah. As I said before, I wake up, I commute, I go to work, then I visit stores, and then I observe the cashier, how they work, and then I write the reports, and then I deal whatever that needs fixing. I also uh give them solution to their problem, evaluate their work. That's it.
Stop. Are you enjoy about your job right now?
I totally enjoy it because I think it's easy, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't have
I know.
too much pressure with this job. I mean, my job was just to control how people work
Yeah,
gitu.
I feel it.
Gitu.
I feel it.
Yeah.
So, next question. Question number 9. What's the
Okay.
biggest challenge in your current job right now?
Apa? Maybe
It's okay, it's okay.
maybe the fact that I am the role model.
Mhm.
Yeah, I have to represent my best version of myself no matter the situation.
But I saw you in Instagram, like you also being duta teh apa teh Ri, bahasa Inggris.
The ambassador.
Ambassador, ya, the ambassador. Like so cool, bro. I
Oh,
boleh
is
pakai
it
anjay
cool?
nggak sih?
Yeah.
Oke, next question aja ya.
Yeah. Next.
Question number 10. Do you ever feel pressure or stress from work? And how do you handle it?
There's always challenge. Yeah. Yeah. There's always a challenge. Uh, and how I deal with
Gak apa-apa, Ri.
macam itu. Kenapa sih yang kesenggol? And how I deal with hard situations is I write, I read. I think that's it.
So, next question. Question number 11. How you ever regret not going to college? Like why or why not?
Sometimes I actually not. I actually just postpone. I actually gap year.
So you take
Oh
a gap
yeah.
year. Yeah.
I'm taking a gap year. Jadi so when I graduate from high school, I decide to work and taking a gap year to earn. I work to help my parents paying tuition for my brothers and also to earn money for college. So this year I'll be going to college.
Wih, keren. So, next
Yeah.
question. Something valuable you've learned from working directly after high school.
I think that the world doesn't wait you to be ready, so you have to be prepared for everything.
Yeah. I I agree. So next question. Do you think experience is more important than a degree?
No, of course, both experience and degree are matter, but experience taught me how to think, how to think on my feet and stay grounded. Yeah, life has been my teacher these years.
Okay, that's it. So next question. What are your future career goals?
I actually wants to do work that feels like me. I want to write, travel. Maybe I'm gonna work in the airlines industry so that I can travel.
Kan harus berhijab, Rey.
Kan ada Saudi Airlines.
Oh iya, pinter-pinter. So, next question. Do you plan to continue working in the same field or trying something new? Like you
Of
change
course, I
your work?
prefer something new. of course I prefer something new. I mean, retail has trained me well. I learned a lot in retail, but I think I need more. I like to try something more.
Next question is, have you ever felt judged for not going to university? Like, how did you deal it with that?
I never heard someone talking about me not going to college actually, but if there's someone make assumption about me, I think I don't care. Well, that's his life. What should I do?
Like, life must go on, gak sih?
Yes, life must go on.
So, next question. What advice would you give to someone who's unsure whether to work or study after high school?
Uh, I think it's important to be honest with your situation and your capacity, your ability also. Don't follow trends, don't follow what you want, but follow what your life needs. What your life needs right now, it must be aligned with what you are doing right now.
Okay. Okay. Next question. So, next question. Do you ever think about taking short courses or training to improve your skill?
Yes, I always learn something to sharpen my tools like TOEFL, etc.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, next question. What's one thing you wish people understood better about people why choose to work early?
That choosing to work early is actually not a choice. It's a sacrifice.
Yeah.
So I hope people would understand.
But people always judging, like, why you choose to work? Some actually my friends like from junior high school, like they always asking me like, when you go to university, like, am I wrong if I am work early after high school? Like, why?
I think it's not a bad thing that we start early. I mean, when people graduates from university, they're looking for a job. Well, I have mine.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, true, true. So, next question. How do you manage your work-life balance?
I think by creating small moments that I like, I always spare time to do something I love, like writing, watch movie, reading, or hang out with my friends. I think that's important.
That's it.
Don't let work consume who you are.
Anjay. The next question is, what motivates you to keep going when work gets tough?
My family and the life that I want and the girl I used to be.
Dah, that's
Yeah.
a
Yeah.
next question. What's one proud moment you've had in your job so far?
Uh, to be trusted, to have such responsibility. Being a cashier ambassador is a huge responsibility, and not everyone was chosen. So it was the biggest proud moment I've ever had in my work job.
Oh. Do you think working early help you grow faster as a person?
Yes.
Why?
I mean, Working early force you to grow up. So I've experienced
Do you think working early help you grow faster as a person?
working early force you to grow up. When people my age still figuring out their life, I already have apa?
You have it like
Yeah, I've already have the job. I have already routine. So yeah, it helped me grow faster than any kid in my age. It mature me. It gives me a lesson on how to solve problem, on how to deal with stress, on how to work under pressure. When my kid, when the kids my age didn't know to, I already know how to deal with anything in work.
so.
Experience gives you better lesson.
Okay, next question, yeah. If you could back in time, would you still make the same choice?
Yes, a
Why?
million times over, yes. Because even though it's not always easy, but it has given me so much lesson that I can trade with anything in life. I have so much precious lesson from everything I've been through, and it's so much important than just going to college.
In Indonesia, we said pelajaran hidup.
Yes,
Apa tuh? Bahasa Inggrisnya gue nggak ngerti lah.
life lesson.
Ah, ya, life lesson. So, this is the last question I asked to Kirei.
Yes.
So, berarti, it 25 ya? 25 question
Yeah.
for Kirei, and this is the last thing. So, what's your biggest hope for the next 5 years of your life?
I hope I can graduate from
Amin.
college on
Amin.
time.
Yeah.
I hope I can have my dream job. I hope I can travel, I can write, and I can take my family abroad.
Okay. So, but have you start college yet?
No, I haven't started college yet. I'll be starting college by August.
What major you take?
Management.
Management. So, Kirei in WhatsApp asking me about uh
The guy you post on your Insta stories.
sorry, no, his tourist my lecturer give me 5 target. No, yeah, 5 target like conversation with foreigner or tourists through and friend from class terus like this conversation with
Yeah.
friends gitu. So I choose you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for choosing me.
Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Hello Nana. Good
Hello.
evening,
Good evening.
Nana. So, actually, Hasna, aka Nana, she's my friend from boarding school. Like we always met in boarding school, like every day. And I choose her as my partner for this text is intermediate academic English get to fall one. So like talking with friends. Okay. So how are you, Nana?
Sorry, I'm good.
How about you?
Great. We move to the question. Yeah. Okay. So actually, Kira, I asked her about this, not for to be my partner in semester like you. Gitu. Okay, guys, let's start the question number one. So, what semester are you in right now, and what are your plans after graduation, Nana?
I'm currently in sixth semester right now, and after I graduate, I'm planning to start working right away and gain some real world experience, inshallah.
Okay. So, next question number two. Have you ever felt regret or thought like, why did I choose this major, and what made you feel that way?
Regret, yes, sometimes I do feel that way. I actually have more interest in design related things, something like that, but I try to do my best in my major right now, in software engineering. Is always demand and has a great opportunity for my future.
Hmm. Okay, next question. What's one thing you've learned outside the classroom that really changed the way you think?
I think learning to collaborate with different kind of people really changed my perspective, and it taught me that soft skill like communication and teamwork are just as important as technical skills.
So, okay. Okay, next question. Have your dreams or goals changed since you entered university?
Both change, yes, they have. I've gained a better understanding of how coding works. I used to just be curious about how software was made, but now I actually enjoy the process of creating it.
Hmm. Okay, next question. What's something you wish your lecturer or campus understood better about student?
I wish they understood that students like us also have personal life out there and sometimes need flexibility. And not everything is about deadlines, and we also need time to breathe and grow for ourselves.
Okay. Okay, next question. How do you deal with stress, pressure, or even loneliness during your college life?
I usually take a break and do my hobbies like drawing or watching something fun online, like movies or something, and it helps me reset my mind and relax.
Okay, wait. Do you think university really prepares students for real life or the working world?
In some way, yes, we learn discipline, time management, and how to handle pressure. Also, in my university, in IPB University, we also had more practical experience like internship.
So have you been internship? Like,
I haven't, but in next semester I will get internship.
mm. So do you have planning like where you going to internship?
I actually going to on my planning. I go internship to my university
Hmm.
because they open apa ya namanya?
Recruitment.
Because they open recruitment and yeah, I joined them.
Okay. So the next question. What's the biggest apa nih bacanya? What's the biggest sacrifice ya? Sacrifice you made to stay in college?
Probably giving up time with my family and my friends because I miss a lot of moment because I had to focus on assignment and my projects.
Okay. Next question. Is there any habit or mindset you've developed in college that you think will help you for the rest of your life?
Yes, I've learned to be more independent and to manage my time better. That mindset will help me a lot in the future, I hope.
If you could design a new subject or course at your university, what would it be and why?
I'd love to create a course that combines design and technologies, maybe something like UI UX design for beginners. It will help students who are interested in both ways like me.
I didn't understand what you say in the answer because I'm not into that. Because
Yeah,
my major is communication, so I didn't understand what major you like ngerti.
if you confuse what am I doing in my major right now, basically I something some application or software like you are using right now, Zoom or WhatsApp, Instagram, it made by people kan.
Hmm.
It's not like computer. It's computer, but we um we have we human have a role on made things like that. Like we are coding it to make it. If you confuse what UI UX is, UI UX is basically user interface or user experience. So when we made an application, we're not just like made it, but we should do research like what user like, what is user want to have on that application, what that user uh, have to accept that um, they can use the application better gitu. Kayak gimana caranya si user itu, pengguna itu bisa nyaman pakai aplikasi itu dan dipakai buat berkepanjangan gitu.
Jadi
Jadi
kayak
kan,
kamu gitu yang ngontrol gitu ya, maksudnya kayak ini gitu gitu.
jadi sebelum kita ngoding itu harus
Heeh.
ada UX, harus ada UI UX. Jadi kayak misalnya Instagram. Instagram itu kan tampilannya cantik kayak ibarat
Heeh.
ada tombol, bahkan tombol profile yang ada di sebelah kanan jari jempol kamu itu pun dipikirin itu tuh karena mereka lebih mudah buat mencet ke sana gitu. Karena mereka
Heeh.
file gitu. Itu tuh ada research-nya, ada cara belajarnya gitu. Terus kayak kenapa mereka naruh Instagram Stories above the application, ya karena ada alasannya juga gitu loh, nggak yang tiba-tiba oh taruh aja di sana kelihatannya cantik, nggak gitu juga gitu, karena itu kebutuhan mereka gitu. Mereka kan lebih gampang buat lihat IG di paling atas karena disediain, atau mungkin cara kita bikin Instagram Stories kan tinggal slide gitu ya.
Heeh.
Nah itu juga karena user gitu loh, karena user kan kalau bikin kan nggak mau yang tombolnya ribet-ribet, karena kan itu kan ibaratnya ngambil momen ya, jadi harus cepat, jadi ya udah di slide gitu, slide ada kamera tinggal upload gitu.
Like apa ya? Like they made for us and apa tadi gue mau ngomong apa
You should
tadi?
do research for making application, not just build it, but we have to research first and then build it gitu.
Oh gitu ya, aku baru tahu.
Panjang
Maksudnya di
sebenarnya.
bagian yang stories itu kan biasa di atas gitu. Aku baru tahu kalau kayak gitu ada iniannya
Ya,
researchnya ya.
semua aplikasi itu pasti ada itu.
Ribet
Kenapa
ya.
ini ada, kenapa ini ada apa namanya? Ada fitur background, kenapa? Itu ada alasannya pasti.
Hmm, keren, keren.
Gitu.
So, next question. Do you feel like your opinion is valued in your classes and why or why not?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. It really depends on the lecturer. Some are open to discussion, and while others just want us to follow their rules.
Okay. So, next question. What's one moment in your university life that you'll never forget?
The first time I presented a big project in front of the class, I was nervous, but
Hmm.
after it, I was done. I felt really proud of myself.
Be proud of you. Okay, next question. Have you ever failed a subject or done poorly in class? Like, how do you deal with it?
If I struggled before, I tried to stay calm, reflect on what went wrong on myself, and ask for help from my friend. It also taught me to be more responsible.
Mm. So, next question. What motivates you to keep going when university life get tough?
I always remind myself why I start this journey. I think about my goals and the people who support me. That gives me the strength to keep going.
So, okay, next question. Is there a time you felt really proud of yourself as a student? What happened?
Yes, when I managed to finish a coding project by me and my team. It showed me how much I've grown.
Mm. So, next question. What's something you think is overrated about being in college?
Maybe the idea that grades are everything. They are important, but there's is so much more to life and learning than just a grade.
Next question. How do you usually spend your time outside of class?
Like I was mentioned before, I like to do my hobbies. I like to relax, draw, hang out with friends, and just watch something fun online.
No. You should hang out, Nak.
Do I look
Let's we
like
eat sushi again in
huh?
Ion. Let's we eat sushi again.
Yes, please. Invite me, please. I would like to go.
Okay, next question. What does a successful student look like to you?
For me, a successful student is someone who learns from their mistakes, grow through challenges, and stay kind, also consistent, like that.
Next question. Do you think social media affect how students feel about themselves in university?
Absolutely, yes. It can make people feel pressure to look perfect or be super duper productive all the time. We need to remember that everyone's journey and path is different.
Kayak kasih makan Instagram ya.
Hmm. Aku udah lama nggak buka my first Instagram because I was super warm watching it. No, I will not open it again.
Sama, aku kayak sekarang lebih ke yang kedua udah di situ aja.
Me too. Makanya waktu itu Nuki tuh sampai ngechat aku kayak, nah kok lu hilang dari first account? Kemarin di second account aku rame aja gitu.
Oh, dia nggak nge-follow ini ya, second lu ya?
Nah, second aku cewek semua. Aku mau bikin yang buat cowok juga tapi kayak nanti deh.
Okay, next question. Have you ever been involved in any campus organization or event? What did you learn?
Yes, I joined some event and committees, and I learned how to work in team and how to organize things better. And it was fun and useful.
Yeah. Next question. If you could if you could talk to your first year self, what advice would you give?
I would say like, now please don't be too hard on yourself, and it's okay to try something and to make a mistake and learn along the way.
Okay. So, next question. What kind of support do you think students need more of from their
Ini jangan teriak-teriak.
sama
Ulang
di
lagi.
aku juga. Ulang.
Udah.
It's okay. What kind of support do you think students need more of from their campus?
I think we need more mental health support and
Yeah.
career guidance. I would really It would really help us feel more prepared and less overwhelmed.
Okay. So, have you ever felt like giving up? Like, what helped you stay?
Yes, there were times I feel like giving up until now, actually, but talking to close friend and remember my goals helped me get back on track.
Okay. So, next question. Do you ever compare yourself to other students? Like, how do you handle it?
I do sometimes, but I try to focus on my own progress instead. Everyone has their own pace, and that's okay.
Hmm. And yeah, so this is the last question.
Okay.
What do you want to remember most from your time as a student?
I want to remember the struggle, the friendship, and how much I've grown. I want to remember the journey, not just the destination.
Okay. That's it. All.
Okay.
Terus apa lagi ya penutupannya? Okay. Thank you so much, Nana, for to be my
Sure.
partner in this text, this segment. I would love when we can go out again with the
Sekarang ke
ih
Bogor.
kayaknya kita harus ke Dufan lagi deh. Aku pengen ke Dufan lagi.
Ya ampun, belum puas kah?
Bukan, janji-janji abis ini aku nggak takut naik yang tinggi-tinggi.
Okay. We should go to Dufan again.
Oke. When ya? Bingung.
Iya, aku cari uang sendiri dulu.
Iya, sama aku lagi juga cari
Belum
pundi-pundi
kerja
dulu.
soalnya.
It's okay,
Info
it's okay. Si Di juga lagi sibuk. Dia lagi sibuk banget kemarin. Dia ini banget. Oh ya. Atau enggak? Pakai bahasa Inggris dulu.
belum penutupan.
So, last week we have like gathering from high school. Then why you didn't came?
It's because I have a schedule for my internship. Like we have meeting before internship like that, so I can join you guys. I'm sorry. I want to, but yeah, I feel sad when I see you guys on my Instagram story. But you guys seem so fun. Like I want to join, but I can't. It's not because I don't want to, but I can't.
Set sih soalnya kayak kebetulan banget ada Asti. Itu tuh aku gak nyangkanya kayak wah ada Asti nih. Jadi maksudnya kayak seru gitu loh. Itu kamu tau gak? Itu tuh banyaknya anak yang kumpul IPA 2 tahu.
Ya aku pas Asti aja sempet ngechat aku kan, ikut apa enggak? Anjir Asti mau ikut, gua nggak bisa ikut. Aku udah lama
Iya,
ketemu Asti.
sedih. Terus aku sempet ke kosannya Ririn. Tadinya mau numpang tidur, cuman aku nggak bisa tidur. Akhirnya aku jajan, basko.
Berarti ke PPM.
Iya ke PPM. Oh itu PPM.
Hmm.
Tahu nggak? Aku kira jangan berisik Fatih, Dut. Woi.
Halo Pati.
Tuh, Dek, nih mau lihat kan nih teman kakak. Sini nggak kelihatan muka kamu di sini.
Halo Pati. Kamu suka jemput sama Kakak Tori ya? Ke sekolah.
Kamu. Tuh,
Halo.
mana mukamu, Dut? Nih naikin lagi dari jangan panggil aku Dut, oi. Udah. Jangan berisik, Dut. Sebentar aja ya, Dut. Gitu. Apa tadi nanya sampai mana? Tadinya
Datang.
Tadinya tuh aku sebenarnya mau nginep karena itu tuh kebetulan banget aku jam 1 udah kelar kelasnya. Terus kayak aku ngerasa mungkin aku bisa nih ikut. Terus kayak ada motor juga kan, ya udahlah aku motoran. Aku kira tuh di situ nyampe, maksudnya perjalanan dari Tangsel kan kebiasaannya 2 jam kan. Dari rumahku loh ya, dari rumahku. Terus kampus aku tuh sebenarnya dia posisinya. That's it for the question. Thank you so much. Alhamdulillah jazakillahu khairan Nana
Amin, Tori.
for
My
to be my
pleasure.
partner in this session. Also, you have a friend Kirei. Nanti di beside you nanti Kirei. Oke. ada Kirei. So ya, and for today, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hilang,
Waalaikumsalam.
hilang, 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 hilang.
Oh, hilang.